Did you know that your soft serve machine has parts that require regular replacement to maintain peak performance? This not only ensures high quality, soft serve ice cream, but also maximizes profits and extends the lifespan of your machine. These parts are known as consumable parts. They're components that you can easily replace on your own. Let's take a closer look at what they are. What are the consumable parts? Scrapers and beater for optimal performance. Pump gears, ensuring a consistently perfect overrun. Carpi care kit, a collection of components including gaskets and O-rings specifically designed to uphold the hygiene of your machine. Brushes kit, a comprehensive set of brushes each sized perfectly for the correct and thorough cleaning of every component in your machine. Who can replace the consumable parts? Consumable parts of the soft serve and shake machines can be easily replaced by the operator during one of the scheduled cleanings. No technician is required. Why replace consumable parts? Regularly replace scrapers and gears ensure high performance and high quality ice cream. The scrapers guarantee optimal cooling efficiency and product quality. If worn out, there will be an increase in product dispensing time and recovery time. Gears are crucial for the performance of pump-fed machines. If they are worn out, the overrun will decrease, impacting profits on each cone. Wear on both scrapers and gears is visible to the naked eye. The Carpi Care Kit and Brushes Kit enable you to maintain the hygiene of your machine at all times. The Carpi Care Kit ensures the machine's hygiene remains at the top level and prevents downtime by providing replacements for parts that may be lost or damaged during cleaning operations. The Brushes Kit allows you to thoroughly clean every component of the machine for maximum hygiene. When should you replace the consumable parts? Scrapers, every 6 months. Pump gears, every 12 months or 75,000 servings. Carpi Care Kit, every 6 months. Brushes Kit, every 6 months. How to determine which consumable parts your machine needs. Scan the QR code on your machine to access the page dedicated to your model on the Carpigiani Services website. In the Ordinary Maintenance section, you will find a detailed list of parts and their replacement frequency. Explore the Video Tutorials section for technical videos on cleaning, assembly, disassembly, and routine machine maintenance operations available for most models. Where can you find consumable parts? You can purchase original Carpigiani consumable parts by contacting your local Carpigiani distributor or directly at shop.carpigiani.com.